Welcome back to Beautyistic, where real skin meets real reviews. If your skin has been feeling tight, dull, or just craving comfort lately, this one might catch your attention. Before we get started, make sure you're subscribed and tap that bell so you never miss an honest beauty breakdown like this. Today's spotlight is on the FARMSTAY Real Avocado Essence Mask. This is a Korean sheet mask designed to deliver moisture, support the skin barrier, and help tired, dehydrated skin look healthier and more balanced. It comes as a pack of 10 single-use sheet masks, each infused with avocado extract and a moisturizing essence, meant to be used regularly rather than as a one-time quick fix. Avocado is the hero ingredient here, and from a formulation standpoint, that choice makes sense. Avocado extract is known for being rich in fatty acids and skin conditioning components that help soften the skin and reduce moisture loss. This mask is designed for dry to dehydrated skin types, but it's gentle enough that most skin types can use it, especially when the skin barrier feels compromised from weather changes, overexfoliation, or long days in the sun. The sheet itself is saturated without being dripping wet, which is something I always pay attention to with essence masks. In real-world use, I tested this mask in the evening after cleansing and toning, when my skin is most receptive to hydration. The sheet fit comfortably, adhered well to the contours of the face, and didn't slide around, which means you can actually relax while wearing it. The essence feels lightweight but nourishing, not greasy or heavy, and it absorbs gradually instead of sitting on top of the skin. After about 15 to 20 minutes, my skin felt noticeably softer and more cushioned, with that calm, hydrated feeling you want from a moisture-focused mask. What stood out during repeated use is consistency. This isn't a dramatic, instant glow mask meant for special events. Instead, it works best when used regularly. Over time, skin feels less tight, makeup applies more smoothly, and dry patches appear less noticeable. On the downside, if you're looking for strong brightening or active heavy treatment results, this mask stays firmly in the hydration and soothing lane. It's not meant to replace targeted serums or treatments. The strengths here are the comfortable fit, the gentle formula, and the way it supports the skin barrier without irritation. It's easy to use, beginner-friendly, and works well as part of a simple self-care routine. The main limitation is that results are gradual rather than dramatic, and very oily skin types may find it a bit richer than necessary. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this, and if you're itching to try it yourself, the link is in the comments. When it comes to value, a pack of 10 masks makes this a practical option for consistent use. You're not paying for flashy claims or complicated actives, but for steady hydration and barrier support. For dry or stressed skin, that balance between price and performance feels justified. Compared to other Korean sheet masks in the same category, this one focuses more on nourishment than instant radiance, which actually makes it a better option for long-term skin comfort rather than quick results. The packaging is simple and functional, and each mask is individually sealed, which helps maintain freshness and hygiene. Shelf life is typical for essence masks, and the formula remains effective as long as it's stored properly. There's nothing fragile or over-designed here, just practical skincare that does what it claims. If you're on a tighter budget, there are other hydrating sheet masks that focus on ingredients like hyaluronic acid or aloe, which can deliver similar short-term hydration. However, if your skin responds well to richer, nourishing ingredients and you value barrier support, this avocado-based option stands out as a solid choice. So here's the bottom line. The FARMSTAY Real Avocado Essence Mask is a dependable, hydration-focused sheet mask that delivers comfort, softness, and gradual skin improvement with regular use. It's best suited for dry, dehydrated, or stressed skin types, and for anyone who enjoys gentle, no-drama skincare that fits easily into a routine. It doesn't overpromise, and it doesn't underdeliver. Thank you so much for spending your time with me here on Beautyistic. You'll find the purchase link in the comments or description box. If you've tried this mask already, drop a comment below and share your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.